Why do both bottles fall at the same time? After the two bottles fell at the same time, with more height and different with less height, I didn't understand. All of the group were sure that the bottle with more weight would fall before, but at every height. After repeating it several old times, we didn't understand why they fall with more height at the same time. The other components of the group noted the results, but I was still intrigued. That's why when I came home, I did several examples with different objects. All gave the same result. They all fell at the same time. After seeing the results, I decided to record them to put them in the video. However, I still had doubts about how two objects with different weight could fall at the same time. I consulted on the internet and found a logical explanation. Let's imagine that three climbers are climbing the Everest. Of the three, Mario was the first to reach the top. He saw that his two friends were 10 meters down and decided to help them to climb. So he threw them a rope and told them to climb, as he pulled to climb faster. The first to take the rope was Jose, who, as he was so strong, rushed quickly and without much effort. And he finally reached the top with Mario. Then Juan went up, but the boy did it slowly and with a lot of difficulty. He did it very slow. The first one went up quickly and the second one did it very slowly, but both arrived to the top at the same time. Do you know why? Which is the reason? You've got 10 seconds to think in the solution. Well, did you find the solution? It's very probably that you didn't, because this is a difficult question. That's why I'm going to tell you some parts in Catalan for you to understand it better, and some other parts in English. Well, The solution is that at the same time that they both climbed, Mario was pulling the string up, and the truth is that he threw it much more slowly than when Juan came up. Can you see what happened? When the person who is under has more muscle mass, he climbs faster, but weights heavily. So who is at the top has much difficulty to working to stretch the rope. So he does it more slowly. And Juan, that is the least heavy and less powerful. He, or the less weight.
The water is going to fall first.
The cola is going to force first.
It's going to fall at the same time.
We have two bottles. One is almost empty and the other is a half full.
Now we are going to throw bottles with the same proportion of liquid. This bottle has cola. And this bottle has water.
Let's gonna throw them.
Now we are going to throw it them with the highest position.
We weighed all the bottles with liquids. The first bottle, it has water, and it was almost empty, and it weighs this. The second bottle has water, and it was almost full, and it weighs this. The third and finally bottle was with cola, and it was almost full. This bottle was weighted in two ways. The first weight was without shaking the cola, and it was with the gas still, and it weighs this. The second way was shaking the cola, and the gas was in movement, and it weighs this. Yes, it weighs the same because the gas doesn't influence in the weight.
I'm going to throw two bottles.
La Rosalía.
No talles, no talles.
Espera,